While assembling the QuickShot, the operator can install it to be operated by either a right-handed or left-handed operator. The system shows a unit stand, the unit with a Chicago air connector, a pressure volume regulator, supply side pressure gauge, and ball valve. The next component observed is a port that contains a ball valve and a port that water can be introduced through or air exhausted out of. Near the rear of the unit is a second pressure gauge that registers the exhaust port pressure. Your inversion pressure is the difference between the supply side pressure and the exhaust pressure. After materials begin moving through the unit, this pressure is telling the operator how the venturi is working. If the pressure at the rear gets closer to the supply side pressure, inverting is greater than the volume and pressure, allowing it to continue.